I gotta clean up again. Good morning, everybody. Today we are in the 79 Malibu. We're gonna go for a little bit of a drive before we get a little bit of work done. Currently it's about 70 degrees here in Chicago, but it's gonna get up to 90, and I don't really want to work on stuff when it's that hot, so we're gonna do a couple easy things and try to get out of here before the heat. So in the passenger seat here, you can see we've got a whole bunch of interior stuff because, well, that actually makes it look pretty good, but you can kind of see here, if I block out the sun, that's all kind of chewed up and eaten up, and especially on the front sides. So I think these A-pillars should be the same as what was in my Grand Prix, the silver car that we parted out, so that should swap over. So I'm going to try doing that for the A-pillars. In the trunk I have the covers for the seat belts. I might put those on. And our big project for the day, when I bought the car, it didn't have the dome light. Now, for some reason, this whole panel is kind of falling. I don't really know why, but it's starting to hit my head, so I kind of want to look at that as well while we got everything. So I've got my borescope so I can kind of get in here and look. I don't, feel anything that's off, but I don't know, something's goofy. So today we're just gonna work on some little stuff and see about trying to make that a little bit nicer and maybe get this headliner up. No big deal, nice easy project. Like I said, I really don't want to be here when it's 90 degrees working on this dark colored car out in my parking lot. So we'll see in a little bit when I get started. Alrighty, so we are back at home. I have the dome light, so that's good. I do have to go pick up the retaining clips for it because I forgot to grab those before I got here. But we also have all of these little clips here that I found in the trunk that I want to try and start getting on there because they're kind of necessary. And that might be part of the reason that this headliner is falling down a little bit. I already removed the A-pillar. And now you can kind of see a little bit better just what's going on with it and why I want to replace it. I don't know if that's just sun damage or what, but it's junk. I could probably add some filler, smooth it out, paint it, make it all, show car-y type crap or something, but I don't want to do that when I have a good part right there. Color doesn't match, obviously. That's okay, because I don't care. So now that that one's off, I'll figure out which one of these is the right one and put it back on after I toss some of these clips on. The clips go right here, here, and here on both sides, and they kind of go like this to hold that headliner up. That way, it's probably not going to do anything for the middle, but it'll at least keep it up on the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and get those in because it's hard to film and work at the same time, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, and with just a couple minutes worth of work, passenger side is done. As you can see, we go from the light blue to the gray. It looks a little good. I probably should clean that rust spot off, but I don't care. Looks a little goofy, but really, for being free and this kind of being a bit of a beater, I'm not really that worried about it. If it bothers me, I can always paint it or redo the whole interior a different color or kind of anything like that. But for now, I think that's good enough. I think it looks fine, and it is certainly a whole lot better than, like, how does that even happen? Did somebody gnaw on that? Like, what? I don't know. If you have an idea of what could have possibly happened, if that's just sun damage or what, let me know. Hit it up in the comments down below. Alright, and just a couple minutes later, driver's side is done. You can really kind of see in the sun the color difference. But once you get into the shade, I really don't care, like I said. Nice and attached. Realized that where'd I put the bag? Right there. Clips that I had was just the backing piece, so I'm not going to worry about the seatbelt piece. Headliner isn't making any sort of difference with these clips on. Kind of didn't think that it would, but I was hopeful. So probably just end up maybe sticking some Velcro up there and trying to Velcro it to the ceiling, or maybe I'll just leave it. I'm gonna go to the parts store, grab the clips I need, and put the dome light up. And then I think that's it. Alright, so we got our little sorted pack of clips. It should be one of those small ones. We have our dome light. And I realized, super fun, we only have one of those little clips right here. The other side is missing. It's over there, you probably can't see it. There's a hole for it. So for that, we are going to be utilizing one of the extra screws that was in our bag here. Should be a number 8 sheet metal screw in there. We'll just screw that in, and one side will be held by screw, but that's fine. I'll have a dome light. All right, we did some really quick, very professional electrical repair. AKA the wires were kind of close together and looking a little burnt, so I wrapped them in electrical tape because that works. We've got everything installed. I think I need to push this side in a little bit more, actually both sides, so that they clip in. It helps if you guys can see that. But we have a dome light, and more importantly, when I open the door, it works. So, yay. We'll put that in real quick, and we're done with that project. Well, this is some annoying hackery. Decided not to put the sheet metal screw in just yet. Wanted to kind of install everything, see how it goes. And you can see this hole was cut wrong. So it is in there straight. It's in there how it's supposed to be, minus, you know, the one side, so it'll hold it up a little tighter. But yeah, I'm gonna live with that, because how often do you ever look at the dome light? I know I never look at mine, so we're going to ignore that, put the cap on it, and we're gonna call that project done. All right, so there's the dome light. It's installed. Here's the headliner. Let's zoom out. I mean, that is inch and a half. Still trying to figure out what would cause that. I put my borescope up there. It doesn't look like there's anything pressing on it, but I don't know.